Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip archives on your ULEFONE Note 13P. So to do this, you'll need to get the RAR app. We've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's open it. From here, find the files that you want to unpack, and mine are located right here. Simply click on them, then click on this arrow pointing up. If you want to change extension, if you want to change designation where the files will be unpacked, click on the browse and right here choose the designation. Change any of these options as well and then click on OK. Now if we go back and find the movies folder, our files should be unpacked right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.